welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate this look. So if you do want to recreate this look, please keep watching. So first I'm going to start by using my primer, the Unicorn Primer Drops. So the next thing I'm going to apply is my foundation. This foundation is from Body Collection. And I'm just going to apply this to my damp beauty blender. So now I'm going to set my foundation with setting powder. So next I'm going to move on to contour. So now I'm going to do my brows with NYX Tame & Frame Brow Pomade. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows out just because the product will go in my brows evenly. So now we're going to move on to the eyes. So I'm going to be using this brush to go into the shade Rich Rich. And I'm going to be going into the crease and outer corner with this colour. Then I'm going to be using a clean brush to blend everything out. The next shade I'm going to go into is called Backstage. And this is also going to go on top of Rich Rich, just to blend everything out. Now I'm going to be going back into the shade Rich Rich to blend everything together. Now I'm going to go back into the clean brush and blend everything out. So now I'm going to go into the shade Nobu, and I'm just going to be dabbing this into my outer corner, just so it adds a little shadow to the eye. I do tend to like to drag it out a bit, just so it creates like a halo effect. I'm now going to be using a clean brush again, just to blend it out. So once you've done doing all the blending, I'm just going to add the shade Shimmering to the lid of my eye. I'm going to be spraying my brush with a little bit of setting spray. I'm just going to be dabbing that onto the eye. So once you've done that, you're just going to go back into your blending brush and blend everything out together. So now for under my eye, I'm going to be using the shade Ocean Deep. Now I'm going to be using the shade Honey Pot to go on the inner corner of my under eye. Using the same brush, I'm just going to go into Shimmering and add this to my waterline. Now by using my clean brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. So now using this brush, I'm just going to go into the shade Love Song. Also, I'm going to add the shade Shimmering to the inner corner of my eye as well. Now, using the same brush, I'm going to add Shimmering to my brow bone. And now I'm going to be adding my Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara. Now that the eyes are completed, I'm going to be adding some setting spray to my face. Now that my face is a little damp, I'm going to be adding my highlighter. So now I'm going to be adding my lipstick. And that is the completed look. Please subscribe to my channel and turn my notifications on as I upload every 2 days. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you all very, very soon. Bye!